Today on Legendary Trails, we travel to a place of local significance in Delta County, Dry Mesa Dinosaur Quarry. To reach the Dinosaur Quarry, you must be okay with dirt Forest Service roads. Depending on seasonal conditions, this can be easy or difficult. On the day we went, the main trail had received some moisture, making the mud a little slick. If you've ever driven on adobe soil, this can be an issue sometimes. Reaching the quarry is fairly simple, and you have two different options depending on which way you'd like to go or which direction you're coming from. Since we were coming from the Delta side, we decided that we would try a different route and go from the Sawmill Mesa Road section. This will take you up into the forest and back down into the desert, and is a fairly easy route. If you are in a passenger car or in a low SUV, this is probably the route you'd like to take. If you're careful and take your time, that would work for you. Your second option is taking the Dry Mesa Road loop. If you're in a low SUV, you will not want to be traveling on this road since there are many rocky sections. We will feature this part of the trail in part 3 of this video series. Whoa, stop. You want to go this way, that's a giant hole. No, you will slide in and hit your truck on the major body parts. So go this way. Okay, you're good. You're fine. Okay, turn this way. You're fine. Yeah, sure. For Sarah reference points, it is up to my knee, the hole. Ever liking this?
He loves the wind in his hair. Right? Wind, hair, wind.
So I think I might have misspoken earlier. You definitely don't want to take your passenger car on this road. I really think it's more for SUVs and Subarus that you could probably still do this road. But there are some rocky bits, as you've seen, and there are some more rocky sections coming up they're very gentle rocks and shouldn't have a problem for most vehicles. But if you are in a passenger car, take it at your own risk. I would recommend maybe an SUV instead, at a bare minimum. As you climb up Sawmill Mesa Road, you'll quickly transition out of the desert pinyon pines into the beautiful forests of the Uncompadre Plateau. Isn't it amazing how quickly things change on this trail? As you drive, you will notice several different offshoot trails along the main road. We took a few of these just to keep it more interesting, and this one is coming up right now. As you near the quarry, the landscape will change to a mixture of the beautiful pine forest and some of the desert landscape with the pinyon pines. Don't follow the pin on Google though. It is marked at the road turnoff, not the site. The parking for the site is located down the road. There is a short hike to the quarry and you'll be amazed at the beautiful canyon view. However, if you come there after a rainstorm, be prepared for some mud.
Okay, that's an auto LSD. I'm gonna put it second gear.
Second gear.
Go.
Yeah, it got mud on you. So, was that fun?
It was. I made it in two-wheel drive. Could have done it the first time, but just hit it fast. Go. Auto LSD. Inching forward. Come on, baby.
Dad,
We are inching forward. We're making progress. It's all about the tongue.
Hold your
Oh,
tongue just
God.
right.
Oh, God. Come on.
Dad, it's moving a tiny bit.
It is. And it just gave out. Oops. That's mud.
That's mud on the rear.
Just trying to see what happened if I was in a car and if I could get where I want to go in two-wheel drive.
So if there's mud, cars will not make it.
They will. Ta-da!
Now the real question
Auto
everyone's
LSD.
asking.
Why did you get mud on my mirrors? I don't know. Because I went into it too slow. When I hit it with low speed, I got bumped through their two-wheel drive.
Oh yeah, that would have been
I had
fine.
to have some fun with
No,
it.
but the real question is, can you do that in a Subaru
Yes, yes you could.
with a whole lot of flooring?
We didn't take that much floor. We had our Subaru in more mud than that.
It's true. It's true. So far, Subaru can make it.
Yeah, the Subarus make it easy. Do everything we've done. Those little side thingies, you don't have to do those. You just screw with the giant rocks. That was just for fun.
You know, keep it entertaining.
Right? Because I wanted to use the toys and gimmicks of the Toyota. I got to use them all today. Locker, mud sand mode, rock sand mode, and auto LSD. It works, as proven. Look at my masterpiece.
It's a money,
I
money,
call
money
it
Toyota.
Audi Mud by Dane.
Dad, guess
You
what?
did
You
mud
got my
by
hands
Dean.
like this.
And I managed to decorate the child. Oh, he's all money. Oh, he got me money.
So Dane's masterpiece. It will be washed
Eventually, yes.
eventually. Even the front has mud. Lots and lots of mud, because this is what happens when grown adults see a puddle. Yes. Next time on Legendary Trails, we continue with part 2 of the series and take you on the trail to the Dinosaur Quarry. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. And if you're not caught up on all of our adventures, you should click on the suggested videos. We hope to see you out on the trail soon. Bye for now.